Hey everybody, Malcolm Godwin with Chattanooga Home Inspector. If you're getting this video, you are a prior client of ours. We try and offer exclusive offers only to our past clients. Cameron Brown with R&B Dripless Gutters, he has an awesome value to give to our customers. What's up, Cameron?
We would love to offer to your customers, exclusively to Chattanooga Home Inspector customers, free splash blocks with any full gutter install. That is something that's very important. You have helped me learn that from the home inspection perspective of getting the water further away from the house once we get it off the roof. So anybody that comes to us through you, we're going to give them free splash blocks.
Cool. So we always recommend splash blocks at the bottom of a guttering. It is a huge issue that we always find at a home inspection. These guys also do fascia repair. We see all the time that wood fascia, which is the board behind your gutters, get rotten. These guys actually repair it and wrap it in aluminum. Super cool. Tell us about that, man.
Yeah, it is a common problem, as you said. Basically what happens is your gutters have been full of debris, or they're just not functioning properly, they have leaks, and so that water damage has caused rot in your fascia board. We can come in, pull the gutters, replace the board, and we can rehang the gutters, but a lot of times we recommend to take a trim coil and wrap that fascia board so you never run into that issue again.
Trim coil, is that the metal piece?
That's the aluminum, the coil that we use to make the trim.
So a happy byproduct of that, if you've got carpenter bees, they love that fascia board. They can't eat through that aluminum.
100%.
So that's a super cool service. So how can we get a hold of you, Cameron?
You guys can reach us at 423-227-5027. That's my personal cell, or find us on social media at RB Dripless Gutters.
Just make sure you mention us and he'll kick in some free splash blocks.
Everybody loves free.
Thanks, everyone.